am going into the heart. Hobby Lobby. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. Finally, I'm going in there.
Uncle, can we go to Chuck E. Cheese?
What's up, y'all? Anthony Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening, and welcome back to another video. We are in Deptford, New Jersey, and we are going to Hobby Lobby, but we don't see it.
There it is.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. We are going to Hobby Lobby finally. I think out of everyone in the car, me and my mom are the two most excited folks to go. So, we're gonna park, get in the store, and hopefully they let me video. If they don't let me video, I'm gonna be very upset.
You gotta ask.
But we'll find out. So
husband.
we are here, and I will see y'all when we get inside. I don't know what we're looking for, but we're gonna find it anyway.
We're looking for some
After we're done at Hobby Lobby, can we go to Chuck E. Cheese?
Always looking for moss as a top dressing for pots and things. They've got different kinds of sheet moss and what have you. Ooh, they have challah wood. This is also good if you keep shrimp. They love challah wood. And they have some coconut croutons. All these are different types of soil top dressings. So I think I'm going to pick up a couple of these because, as you all know, I love top dressing my pots, especially with organic materials and things that look natural. Y'all know me when it comes on to pots. Over there, they're kind of bare. Look at pots. So I'm definitely going to be checking these out. These low flat bowls are good for succulent arrangements. This is nice. It doesn't have a drain hole. I love the distressed look of it. And it's pretty weighty, so I definitely could leave it outside over the course of the winter. This also, I love nice low round bowls, especially for succulents. $22.99. This is $21.99. I think I'm gonna get that.
You will hold it in a minute.
I might get that. And they have a lava rock looking one and a faux wood, which is nice. Yeah, none of these have drain holes, but that's not hard to deal with. I love these stone planters. Of course, they've got all the fairy garden stuff. Everything you could want from fairy gardens. Alright, so for anyone who knows me, I have an obsession with nutcrackers. And they're 40% off. I love nutcrackers. Look at them. Okay, we're in trouble here, folks. Let's see what I'm gonna get. My, oh my, oh my. Look at the nutcrackers.
Stack. Bring over. Pull this down.
You see,
Don't worry about.
doing it was so let me
No,
show
it's
you.
not complicated.
No, no, the way I did.
Don't worry about this shorter yarn because it gets weaved in the end.
Okay.
Drape over twice. Yarn over twice. 1, 2. Just take your fingers, pinch that, and bring over.
Wow, that is.
You do. Hold on. Pinch that. And bring over. Pull down.
Wow.
That's your cast on.
That's cast on, y'all doing it. This one.
Easy, yes?
Easy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so easy.
Wow, this is really good. Okay.
Oh, it's so easy, Grandma.
And
Now.
then depending on how many.
Now, let's go into these stitches.
Okay.
You're going to
Oh no, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. I can put them right here.
You can't get that lingual. It's not on sale.
Very nice. But I wanted that.
I know, son, but you don't have enough money to get that.
How much is it?
$11.99.
We don't have no percent off. Just pure $11.99.
But then I wanted to get it.
Just put it on his dresser because he told us the other night he's a sloth.
You want that for your birthday present?
Huh?
You want that for your birthday present? Okay. So now, here.
It's going to be $15.
Oh, you can get it. Here, Linda, grandma's buying you the sloth.
Hers. You didn't pay for her stuff.
You need to tell grandma thank you, son.
Thank you, Grandma.
All right, now you need to pay for it. You
can count his
Good job, Baba.
There you go. You can hold this one.
Good job, buddy. You pay for it all by yourself? Look at the camera.
No, it's not.
Grandma gave you so much money, you quarreling over $1.
That's my dollar. Here, boy. Go back to chair.
Get your change, Baba.
No, that's my chair.
Get your penny.
Here, this is yours.
How you feel, Mom? How you feel?
If I knew there was 30% off all the yarn, it would have been more.
Yeah, man, we did go through back then.
We're gonna go to Baltimore because Natalia said that one is bigger.
Okay.
So this one wasn't on that big.
Well,
Guys, I was so excited if they could let me get this locked and Grandma gave me some money and it was very exciting.
awesome.
No, leave it in the bag, Mommy. Leave it in the